The Eskimo curlew?
This bird is nearly extinct. It needs to be protected. I'm legally allowed to designate this ice rink as an ecological heritage site.
Warning, this program contains a sense of humor that some people might not share. Viewer discretion is advised. Now that I've advised you, you guys wouldn't happen to have any hot stock tips, would you? I mean, I'm dying out here.
Hello, boys! Hey, can I interest you in some free poutine?
Oh, right! Free poutine!
Oh, no, you don't!
Oh!
So, how come it's free? What's the catch? And just in case I don't like the catch, let me eat some before you tell me what it is.
I just want you to try my new family recipe. There was some question about my father's old recipe.
What part?
The part about him being my father. Dear Lord, the extra cheese curds were not the only thing my mother gave away for free. Just try and tell me if it tastes like someone I am related to.
Hey, get off! That's mine!
And mine!
Don't get greedy, Frank. Stupid bird, drop that right now! No, that!
Oh, sure. A big bird take it, huh? Last week when I give you a free box of donut, you say Snuffleupagus take it.
Okay, that one was only partly true.
If you want some more free poutine, you do not need to make up stupid lies, just ask.
Oh, okay. Can I have some more free poutine?
No.
Stupid bird. Its white belly and spotted feathers and...
Curved needle-like beak?
You could tell that just from a stain on my jersey? You better not look at this one, then.
This is the spoor of the Eskimo curlew. It's very distinctive.
The Eskimo curlew? I thought they were extinct.
I know. It's not possible. But bird droppings don't lie.
Is this gonna turn into one of those who's the better person, Dale or the bird poop things?
A live Eskimo curlew. Here, in Chili Beach. And you let it eat that greasy, toxic waste crap!
My ears, they are burning. Why does this always happen when I make salad?
Keep on the lookout. It's very rare. Here.
What do I need this for? I remember what it looked like. A bird? It was a bird?
Dale, there you are being. There is someone who wishes to be speaking with you on the radio.
Who is it?
And who may I be saying is calling, sir? A Mr. David Suzuki? From the CB&C?
David Suzuki, the world's greatest environmentalist! For him?
Talk to me.
Hello, Dale. You're live on the radio right now.
Duh, I can see that. For the world's greatest mentalist, you're not very smart.
So, Dale, can you tell our listeners how things are up there in Chili Beach?
A little cramped at the moment.
We hear that you spotted a bird that was thought to be extinct. The Eskimo curlew.
That's nothing. Once I saw a dog with two tails. Or it might have been two dogs standing close together.
Yes, well, on that note, all of us who care about the planet want to send out a big tip of the hemp hat. The world is watching you, Dale McDonald.
On the radio? Can they do that?
Heard you on the radio the other day.
You listen to that boring crap?
Just because they do lots of stuff about science and politics and books and philosophy, and sometimes quilting, doesn't mean it's boring.
Great. Now people think I'm one of those brainy geeks. Look at what some brainy geek sent me. A broken clock.
It's a compass.
So it's not 10:15. But see? That's just it. I'm not some science nerdy guy.
I like science, and I'm not nerdy.
No. Of course not. I gotta get back to work. Hey, move it, you stupid bird! Okay, I warned you, you're about to become a permanent part of the face-off circle.
No! Stop! It's the Eskimo curlew!
Assume full defiant protest position.
Oh.
Mr. Suzuki, are you okay? Say something.
Kudos on using energy-efficient, clean-burning propane.
Why didn't you go around him, you moron?
I would have, but if I change my route, I sometimes get lost.
No harm done, except to my internal organs. The important thing is that we've located the Eskimo curlew.
Yeah, in the middle of my rink, but not for long.
Dale, this bird is nearly extinct. It needs to be protected.
And this is my problem because...
Chili Beach has become a home and hopefully breeding ground for a long-lost species. Thanks to you, the world has changed. Chili Beach has changed, and your life has changed.
Well, I don't like change, in life or in underwear.
Science owes you a great debt, Dale McDonald.
Really? How much?
How about your name in published journals for the rest of time, and the eternal gratitude of the entire ornithological community?
So, more than $100?
Oh, there's no money. We ecologists don't thrive on money.
Whoa, I can't believe it's you! Will you sign my copy of Birdwatchers Weekly?
Oh, crap! I told Frank not to give that picture out. They put out one of these a week? How many birds can there be in the world?
You're the expert. You tell us.
Pee-wee game in a half an hour! Everybody off the ice! That includes both nerds and birds!
Get out!
Wonderful news, Dale. Because of my high TV ratings, I'm legally allowed to designate this ice rink as an ecological heritage site. I can also marry people and park in the red zone. My ratings are really good.
Fine. Then can I please just get on with cleaning the Ecological and Heritage site? I don't get paid for sitting around being beat up by geeks.
Actually, you don't get paid at all. Cleaning this ice would be a form of interference with nature, so you won't be needed anymore. But on the plus side, actually, I guess there isn't really a plus side. Sorry.
Is it me, or has the town really changed since that stupid bird showed up?
As a general rule, it's always you. But I guess now that you mention it.
Nope. 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 Oh, crap.
Gotta run. I'm expecting a shipment of organically brewed beer.
They've taken over beer? Are there no limits for these people?
Ah, Dale! I see you are taking this recycling seriously.
You're throwing away poutine? There are people starving in the world. People like me.
It is the last of the poutine, my mother's new recipe. I thought the science guys might like it, you know. But the ecology tourists did not want it. No, it is not green enough for them. But when I let it turn green, they don't want it then either.
So, if you don't want this poutine, I could take it off your hands.
$5 and it's all yours.
But you're just throwing it away.
That is true. $10.
Well, I'm kinda short on cash since I lost my job. Ugh. I can give you these pockets, though. They're almost clean.
Sorry, no sale.
Damn it, that stupid bird. This is all his fault. There's a good explanation for this. If you'll just give me 10 or 15 minutes by myself to come up with one.
Dale, it's obvious what you're doing. You've got a harpoon gun.
Yeah, but it's not loaded. Oh, any more?
Dale, I am placing you under arrest for the crime of attempted birdicide. We will be going with that one until I can be looking up the proper term.
No, Constable, I couldn't condone locking him up. How is that any less cruel than locking up a wild ape or orangutan?
Yeah.
Perhaps it will be punishment enough to simply banish him from Chili Beach.
Okay, you are being the boss.
You are?
Ratings. Now go.
Oh, sure, you can send me away. But then who will win you the Canada's Hairiest Bat competition this year, huh? Did you ever think of that? Who? A tall, skinny house with one heck of a porch light. Oh, I hate housekeeping. And I'm not all that light. I guess it's worth a try. That's better. Now I can read this thing. Step 1. Turn on light when sun goes down. Done. Hey, come back here. I'm not finished.
Ah, I can't see.
Step 2. Guide ships away from the shore. Not towards? Whatever.
Mr. Suzuki, there's been a horrible oil spill.
So I heard.
You've got a private helicopter?
It runs on environmentally safe pollen from tulips. Oh, in April, you might want to get everybody to abandon the town. It's about to become a toxic chemical wasteland. This one's too big, even for me.
What about the Eskimo curlew?
He'll be fine. He has a strong survival instinct.
How can you be sure?
Sir, your excessively loud shouting is causing panic. Please, if you wish to be causing panic, doing so with hand and body motions only, okay?
Move it or lose it, buddy.
Good luck, everybody.
I'm stranded on a desert island. Please send blah blah blah. 10-cent deposit, here I come. Frank, are you in there? I'm back from banishment. They're all gone. Everyone. I'm the last man on Earth. There's time now. All the time I need and all the time I want. Just think what I can accomplish. Whoa, that plant rolls! A rolling plant. If I'm the last man on Earth, I can do whatever I want, whenever I want. I don't have to live by society's rules anymore. Won't be needing these. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Ow, 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 ow. I always wanted to do this. Wait a minute, I did do this! Whoa, that oil is getting pretty bad. Oh well, somebody else's problem. Speaking of somebody else, I wonder what happened to everyone.
Okay, mister, where is being the fire, please? Oh, these streets are truly being mean ones.
And that's how they get the caramel inside the chocolate.
You know, a man, she could make a good living here. Ah!
Finally, I'm making a difference. Working in television, telling Canadian stories to Canadians. No more meaningless waitressing for a living. Tea, Mr. Suzuki?
So hungry. No food left in town. No change left. So hungry. You! Aside from the stuff I did, this is all your fault! Hey, why haven't you starved to death like me? Do you have food stored away somewhere? You have quarters for this machine, don't you? Oh, no, you don't! If you got a secret stash, I want it! And it better not be broccoli! Poutine! Life-giving yet nutrition-free poutine? Whoa! Oh, great! I got oil on exactly half of my sweater, leaving the other half still relatively clean. Whoa, 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 whoa! I probably should have seen that coming. Damn it! When is somebody gonna get rid of all this oil? What? Whoa! Huh. This isn't somebody else's problem. This is my problem. Hold on, environment. I'm a-comin'! Whoa. Just think what that stuff must do to my stomach. Oh well, that's my doctor's problem.
I just heard somebody dropped a Dixie cup in Belgium. I'm gonna need more of these pins.
Mr. Suzuki, you might want to see this. Chili Beach is recovering somehow. I can go home!
What about my pins?
And in other news, the oil spill in the far north seems to be mysteriously dissipating.
Am I hearing this to be correct? Sir, today is being your lucky day. I must be returning immediately to my home. Immediately following the writing of this ticket.
Sustainable, what is this? My chili beach is saved. I must return. You will have to find your poutine somewhere else, suckers. Au revoir!
And although I know it's rare indeed for a person to be honored with the Order of Canada thrice in such a short period of time, I can't help but think, could I have not worked harder and gotten 4? Perhaps by cleaning up the oil spill around my hometown.
It's already clean.
What?
Yeah, it's clean.
It's cleaned up?
Yeah, it's clean.
Thanks. Bye!
Wow,
Hey, great to see you. Yeah, welcome back. It's great to be home.
Who are you?
It's true. The town is back to normal.
Oh, you guys aren't dead. I really wasn't expecting company.
That's for sure. Where's the Eskimo curlew? Did it survive?
Don't worry, they're fine.
They?
They seem to really like your mom's poutine, Jacques.
Aha! So, that is why I have 17 brother and sister. From now on, I will call it the poutine of love.
Well, I guess everything worked out okay, Frank. For us and for our best friend of all, the environment. From now on, I'll take good care of him. He'll forgive me if I don't pick those up right this second.